Afternoon, Asian Edgy Carbon Clean. After a brief trip down to Wellingborough, we're back up in Kettering again. We've got a VW Scirocco 2-litre diesel. It's a 59 plate, 97,000 on the clock. Now the owner booked this in, basically wanted to get it nice and smooth and quiet again. It's developed a bit more bass noise recently. A couple of contributing factors to that. One is probably the carbon build-up. Two, there was when the cam belt water pump's been done, looks like one of the covers has not been clipped back on properly. That's clipped back on now, and that's not reverberating as much as it was anymore. We've got 3 glow plugs down, which needs doing. I'd suggest getting all 4 done and the control module when that's done. Otherwise, this car's running beautifully. 310 miles since the last regen, nice low back pressures on the DPF. All the exhaust gas temperature sensors working exactly like they should. Injector correction is really low. Was about 0.2, 0.3 on each of those injectors. It's now down to 0.1 or less. A couple of minutes left to go on this one, get it back out on the road, but there, this one's running beautifully now.